Hey, let me show you all gestures that you can use on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So when you open the settings, first of all you can find double pinch and it looks like this. Take a look. You can pinch twice to answer the calls, dismiss alerts, launch apps, control our music and take the photos. So that's how the gesture looks. Of course you have to put the watch on your wrist. Next we've got the shake to dismiss. So that's how it looks. We have to just shake maybe like rotate our wrist, and as you can see we've got option to decline incoming calls or dismiss alerts such as alarms, timers and reminders, and also some apps can only be muted and not dismissed, so that's also important note. We've got also the knock knock, which looks like this, so we can actually quick launch some apps thanks to this. And also you can find some universal gestures, and here we can find them. So we've got the double pinch, which actually allows us to open some apps, or for example show the watch face. We can go for the action mode. We got the make fist, so we can also set some apps. And basically it looks the same. You can link here the same functions, but I just want to show you how it looks. So there's the double pinch. I'll have to put it on my wrist. There we go. So that's how the double pinch looks. Now we've got make fist. Another one will be make fist twice. And back and forth. There we go. And this set all available gestures on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Right now please subscribe to my channel.